ZooVet Animal Fact. Today is International Cheetah Day, so you already know what we're doing. There are actually 5 different subspecies of cheetah, only one species, but most of them do live in Africa. There is a lesser known subspecies, though, that lives in Asia. This is called the Asiatic cheetah, and right now they only exist in Iran, and it's a very vulnerable population. Let's go through some of their features. They have that classic black teardrop from eye to the corner of their mouth, which functions just like eye black for a football player. It helps to decrease glare from the sun, which is super important when you're hitting those top speeds of like 70 miles per hour. They can accelerate to that in just over 3 seconds when they're chasing prey. Looking at their feet, they're not capable of fully retracting their claws, which is a feature typical of other cats, that they can pull them all the way in, not cheetahs. But this works kind of like cleats for them while they run. Their face shape is even highly adapted to running. They have wider nostrils and bigger nasal sinus cavities that help them to be able to deal with all of that aerobic exercise. But that does come at a cost. They can't have teeth as big as other cats because there's just no room for those roots. Medically, it's important to note that these guys have terrible genetic diversity, to the point that you can take a skin graft from one cheetah and put it on another cheetah and not have any sort of rejection issues. If you did that with a domestic cat, you would have problems. But they recognize cheetah as self, even if it is a different cheetah. Practically speaking, this has major implications from an extinction standpoint, because if a disease impacts one cheetah badly, it's very likely that the entire population is going to be equally susceptible or vulnerable. Diseases like canine distemper can be very, very threatening to cheetah populations. And so this just presents another barrier to trying to keep cheetahs in the wild and preserve this beautiful species.